Hey guys, today we're here at my friend's place, Martin. We're outside today. We're gonna finish off the Mac that we shot with the pellet gun last week. We were trying to see if we can kill the Mac by shooting it with pellets, and it turned out that it's not possible. So the Mac is still alive. So we're gonna walk to the Mac, we're gonna turn it on. You'll see the damage of last week. And then we're going to come back and we're going to use some different guns to shoot it and see if we can kill it. And once it's killed, we're going to destroy it. So let's go and check out the Mac. So this is our Mac. This is the damage of last week. You can see the double glass. This is broken. That's still pretty solid. The logo had some damage here as well. I'm going to turn it on. Let's see. It should come on. Starting up, so we're probably not going to see much in the daylight out here. You may have heard the sound of it booting up. So it is still alive, and if you look at it maybe at an angle, you'll see there's some light still on the screen. We'll probably see that better on the slow-mo camera that we're going to put on here as well. So at this point, let's go and check out the guns. We're going to start off with the 22 Ruger, a revolver. We're going to shoot 2 shots, see if we can kill it. I think it will kill it. I mean, it's a much bigger bullet than a little pellet gun bullet. So we'll see. If that does not succeed, 22 rifle actually shoots a little harder. So we'll try the 22 rifle. It's a Ruger semi-automatic. We're going to do 2 shots. Then we're going to do the 9mm. It's a Glock 19, 9mm. We have a full magazine, so we'll just empty that out rapidly and enjoy the damage that we see. Then my friend Martin's going to take his favorite gun, the AR-15. We're going to empty 25 rounds of AR-15 rounds, so 223 I believe. Then we're going to use the my favorite gun, the Henry 44 Magnum lever action. This is my gun, and we're going to shoot 2 rounds with this one. And we're going to end this session on this Mac with the shotgun. It's a Remington 1100 I believe, right. Semi-automatic, so one of us will empty it in rapid succession. And then we have another favorite of mine. It's the Ruger 44 semi-automatic. It's one of Martin's guns. I really like this little gun. We're going to shoot with this one as well. Not on this Mac, there's going to be a bonus. If you follow the video till the end, you'll see the bonus, you'll like it. And we'll empty this gun. So, let's start. Right, let's do it. The 22. It's a deeper hole, but it's still, yeah, it's not much better than the pellet actually. The computer, I think it's dead. So let's try the rifle, see if it goes deeper. .22 went in there. I think the second one went in there. So it does make a hole, but it's only that deep. It's amazing. Well, I think it's time to bring out the bigger gun. So let's try the 9mm. For this one, I'm going to get a little closer again. Fire in the hole. Here. Well, it did go through this time. I definitely see the light on the other side. Oh, Martin, ready?
I'm ready.
Let's do this.
Okay. Rifle hot.
Okay. Well, 23 definitely goes through the thick. It's like about like a 1/4 inch thick aluminum piece there. Definitely flew right through this baby. Now that, let me just pick this up again. Yep, you want to check out the back side here. It's becoming prettier and prettier. It's a nice spot there. So very nice. I think it's time to do a couple of 44 shots. See what that does. Here. Now that's what I'm talking about. That's exactly what I envisioned when I said, you know, we want to amp this with the shotgun. Semi-automatic. Very satisfying. Alright, so I think we've done well. I think to top it off, we're just going to turn it around and do the same thing from the back. Here. I think this Mac is dead. What do you think?
Nobody will ever program on this again.
I'm starting to see all the aluminum that I plan to use in the next chapter of this Mac Annihilation. The bonus, Martin, if you want to focus there, you'll see we have another Mac. This one doesn't work, so don't worry. We're not going to kill something that's live and working. There we go. Okay, something happened. There's some internal damage actually. I am amazed how strong these Macs are. Okay, well, let's shoot it. Can't go wrong with an AR-15. Check it out. So there we have it. Thank you guys for watching. I think this is a happy ending for us not such an happy ending for the 2 Max. But hey, I think it beats going to the recycling heap facility somewhere, don't you think? At least these 2 Macs are forever on YouTube, so it's a good ending for them.